You've been chasing, always trying, running fast, but never finding what was waiting deep inside. A peace that never hides. No more fear, no more fight, just the calm of endless light. When you let go, you'll see the love that sets you free. Spiritual peace and happiness, it's not out there, it's within your chest. When you stop the noise and listen close, you'll find the truth your spirit knows. Spiritual peace and happiness, you were born with all of this. Let the light wash over you and feel your heart renew.